There's a white truck leaving the park with its lights on. I think my husband's going to try to get the license. Help! I'm calling the police are coming.
What'd he say?
He said, motherfucker, nigga, get in the motherfucking vehicle right now before I blow your motherfucking head off. And that was that.
Fascist architecture of my design.
And they wouldn't let you see your own son the same
No, they
day?
wouldn't let us see him. I didn't see him until the Undertaker went to pick my son up.
From what I understand, the family has the first right to come and identify the body, and they want that to happen as soon as they find a body. They want the family to come and identify it. Did they give you an explanation of why they wouldn't let you see?
They said the coroner's closed on Sunday. They was just coming to get the body. They was closed. So if they was closed, how you get the coroner to come to pick up the body if they was closed? And it was 4 hours away.
We're rednecks. We don't know our ass from a hole in the ground. We're rednecks. We're rednecks. We're keeping the neighbors down.
I filed a motion to recuse Judge Robert B. Young in a First Amendment free press lawsuit case against Kent County, Delaware Recorder of Deeds Betty Lou McKenna, Deputy Holly Malone, and their attorney John Pardee, after they collectively and individually refused to allow my cameras in a public lobby. Delaware is a dangerous place for First Amendment people and for black people, in part because of the lynchings and assaults we will get onto in a moment, but also because of people like Judge Young. Now you can freeze frame the legal arguments I'm putting forth here or simply read the motion at Scribed or at my Mortgage Movies Journal website. But some of the things he did in my case include whitewashing the record of my professional acumen and putting me into a space that I was never in nor intended to be. His decision dismissing my First Amendment complaint put me, quote, in the interior offices and employee cubicles, unquote, when my drawing directly contradicts this. He put that in the record when it was not in the record, and he ignored my professional acumen that was in the record when courts have found that to be important, okay? He instead simply labeled me, a black man, as a guerrilla journalist. All right, nice pejorative term there, right? A phrase shown nowhere in the record, yet he claimed to dismiss my first complaint on the pleadings. So that is intellectually dishonest. You know, he's a cultural hegemonist, and I believe he could be a bigot and perhaps a racist. He's a dangerous instrumentality on the face of American jurisprudence, whatever you want to call him. Now, he also intentionally lied about the law in pivotal cases like Ikabuchi out of Massachusetts, where an independent journalist with a law degree, just like me, was constitutionally protected. Okay? Yet there is more. But let's turn to the 9/11 call made by the homeowner on behalf of Henry Fordham now, who survived a racially motivated attack only to be ridiculed by the police and the hospital, which caused him to leave. Then he and others went to the Dover Human Relations Commission, as I noted in a previous video. Look for it here on YouTube. I'll link it. But the city ignored all of it, while instead pondering whether there could be legal liability for not providing enough safety in the park. Yes, folks, this is true. Look at the email right there from a man I believe to be attorney Nick Rodriguez, himself an Uncle Tom attorney, an Hispanic minority, you know, keeping the niggers down himself in Delaware. That's how they do it. Everybody's above a nigger in Delaware, okay? That's the fact. Even a dog has more rights than a nigger in Delaware. Now, around the same time, 5 other black males wound up dead, some hanging from trees, as noted in my other movie, okay? A.G. Denn ruled these deaths suicides. He, too, is a blight on the face of American jurisprudence.
Denver Police Dispatch Davis.
Hi, Mr. Davis. My name's on Washington Street at the end by Silver Lake Park.
Mm-hmm.
And it sounded like somebody was just hollering, stop, 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 at the park.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now maybe I hear people. I've turned all my lights on. Oh, now they're speaking maybe harshly to each other. I'm not sure.
Are they arguing?
By the bathrooms maybe now. Yeah, I'm not certain. Yeah, it sounded like one was yelling for help. Oh, now there's a car leaving. There's a white truck leaving the park with his lights on. I think my husband's going to try to get the license. Help! I'm calling the police are coming.
Hold on just a minute.
There's a man in my yard.
Silver Lake, Washington Street. Subject yelling for help.
There's a man laying in my yard.
What's he
Oh
saying?
my goodness.
What's he saying?
He's hollering and laying down. He's saying, help, help.
What address are you?
101 Washington.
There's a subject laying in the yard of 101 Washington Street yelling for help.
Yeah.
Contacted the homeowner there.
Oh my goodness.
What's wrong with him? Does he need any kind of medical help?
There's no visible injury.
There is or
Now he
isn't?
said call 911.
Okay.
See,
Did he say that he's robbed?
yes. Oh, Stephen, stay
Man is
away from
yelling
me.
that apparently he was robbed.
Robbed, and
There
they
was
tried
a,
to kill him.
A white truck apparently in the area. I'm not sure if that's still anywhere. Is his vehicle there with him?
No, the white truck left the park.
What type of truck? Get a good look at it?
Did you get a look at the truck? Yeah, yeah, that's what he said.
The subject's advising that someone tried to rob him and kill him. There was a white truck that left the area.
Yeah, in the white truck. I saw the white truck.
They're in a big white truck. Can you give a direction of travel for the truck?
What direction of travel, ma'am?
What direction? He was traveling, leaving the Washington Street to go in towards State. I mean, he's going now.
Towards State. It's the last I saw.
Yeah, so he could have gone either way.
How many
on
people
State.
were in the truck?
How many people in the truck, sir?
Was it an
Not
S?
terribly coherent.
Okay. I need to find out, is it an SUV or a pickup truck?
Pickup truck.
Okay. Is he advising is a two-door truck or a four-door truck?
Stephen, is it 2-door or 4-door? I'm up on the porch, so I'm not directly next to him.
Is he giving any further description of that truck? Does it have a cap on it? Is there anything distinguishing about it?
I didn't see a cab. It's just a white truck.
Okay.
Fairly new.
Fairly new?
Fairly new.
Newer model white pickup truck is what they're telling us. What is your name?
Lisa Martin. Is 911 coming?
I have officers that are responding. I just want to keep you on the phone.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Stay on the line here, ma'am.
Doesn't look like he has shoes on. Black shirt, pants.
The guy out in your front yard does?
Well, actually, he's in the backyard.
What's he doing?
This is why I put up a fence. I guess he climbed over the fence. I don't know what he did. He's laying in the yard on his back.
Is he in your backyard?
Yes. But if you come in the driveway,
Uh-huh.
you'll have access to him.
Okay.
He's all beat up.
Okay.
So they
Wherever
need
he is
an ambulance.
responding to
Yeah.
Washington Street, the subject to be in the RV's backyard, he's apparently been assaulted. Does he need an ambulance? Ask him if he wants an ambulance.
Yes. Does he need an ambulance? Yes. Yes.
They're at 101.
He's getting something out of his. He's got a shiny watch on. What else is he? What's in his hand? Oh, don't touch anything, Stephen, okay?
And we're going to start you an ambulance there for him.
That sounds good. Hi,
yeah,
I see the policeman in the street.
Okay, yeah. The officer's going to make
That sounds like a good
contact with you,
idea.
okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right, bye.
Police car name.
Hey, Davis Dover, can you start an ambulance for 101 Washington Street? It's going to be for reference to a assault victim that apparently was robbed. We have an officer on scene now.